Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs, and I'm coming by today with another unboxing. This time it's Craspire. Craspire. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but oh my goodness. So they're a company that does the wax stamping that you see on envelopes, etc. So a brass stamp, and you press it into melted wax. That being said, okay, this is the Halloween collection. So first I got this little, it's a seeing eye. It's an all-seeing eye. So cool. Okay. Then the set comes with these two wooden handles, which just screw right on to more of the stamps. This one is a pumpkin with bats in the background and a moon. So cool. Now, I didn't get any wax with this particular set, but my little mind's eye immediately went to, of course, stamping polymer clay. But in that same thought, my mind instantly went to, what will it do if you stamp into embossing powder while it's still liquid and melty? Well, that would be fun. So that's what I'm going to try. Polymer clay, and then in another video I'm going to do embossing powder. So that's the pumpkin one. Okay, another wooden handle, a little packet of silica gel. Then this one, oh, this one is hands, skeleton hands. Oh, that's so awesome. This one is a graveyard with a ghost above a stack of skulls next to a tombstone. So cool. This one is a skeleton hand and a moon. Not sure what he's holding. Looks like a crystal. I'm not exactly sure. We'll have to stamp that one to find out. A ghost, maybe? Not exactly sure. Oh, this one is a skeleton head. Kind of tropical with leaves, and I'm not sure. And no, putting my glasses on wouldn't help in this case. Because I can see, I just can't see. Skeleton hand holding a rose, that's pretty. Okay, this one is a moon with 2 skulls and a spider hanging from a web. That is so cute. This one is a pumpkin with a kind of a ghostly bat. A ghost with bat wings. Okay, this one is a skeleton astronaut head. That is so cool. He's got a spider web on his helmet. That's awesome. Okay, that is cool. This one is a full skeleton seated in the moon, and it almost looks like, this is gonna really sound weird, but it almost looks like a pueblo, like a cliff dwelling behind him. Not sure. That's what it looks like. And last but not least, a coffin. Oh, this is awesome. It's got a skeleton hand and maybe a couple of roses. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, it goes this way. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Now, let me screw this back onto the handle here. Just so that it fits in the box. Okay. Put this seeing eye back into the box. This is an awesome set. So awesome. It's really, really weighty. It's made exceptionally well. Thank you so much to Craspire for sending it to me. Wow. This is really, really nice set. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Of course, I'll leave the links below. I do have an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from. All my other social media links are listed below. I'll leave the